Hello everyone, what's up? It's another great day and welcome back to Crypto Income Daily channel. Today I want to share with you a brief presentation of Crypto Flow Bot. Crypto Flow Bot, your AI trading bots for Bitcoin and other altcoins. In fact, a fully automated crypto system that is trusted by over 15,000 traders around the globe. 24/7 execution with built-in risk management and an average of 85% win rate. This is powered by AI, artificial intelligence. You might have used other trading bots in the past, but I think this one will be so unique to you based on my personal experience. So before we dive in, a quick risk disclaimer. Please, this video is for education and information purposes only. And you have to always take note that cryptocurrency is risky because cryptocurrency prices fluctuates very often, and you have to take note of this. Okay. So always do your own due diligence first before you get started. And remember, past results does not guarantee future results, and you have to take note of this. So having said so, now let's dive in. So crypto flow bot actually. So the good news is that finally, you can really trade on cryptocurrencies market using AI-powered automated trading bot while your trading capital remains in your full custody, in your full control. You don't have to send your money to any platform that claims to be trading for you, which finally end up scamming you and running away with your money. So you are in full control of your money at all times. That's what I'd like you to take note of. So let's look at how this bot really works. And before we get started with this, so you may ask why? So why crypto trading? Okay, crypto trading has actually become one of the most preferred ways to actually grow your digital assets. Okay, now if you want to compare crypto trading to traditional businesses, crypto trading actually offers unique advantages that make it one of the most accessible income opportunities in this our digital age. Let's say, for example, if you were to set up an offline business, in fact, it's going to cost you a lot of money. You have to actually get a plot, maybe get a container or whatsoever, and license the business and pay a whole lot of taxes and other stuffs. In fact, it's not going to cost you a lot of money, and also customer service. Also, you have to actually be very smart that you don't get stolen, your items don't get stolen, your store is not broken into by thieves, and a whole lot, as compared to crypto trading, where you can start with as little as even $50 and you are trading. No rent, no fuel, no employees. So with crypto trading, it works 24/7 even while you sleep. Crypto trading you can operate it from your mobile phone anywhere on the planet. No physical risks or location limits. No, yes. So it's a global market, and this is not a local economy. It is available to everyone anywhere on the planet, and you can scale it without extra overhead cost. That's one of the. These are some of the reasons why you will need to get started with crypto trade. Now, how do you get started with crypto trading? So getting started in crypto trading is really simple. It's as easy as ABC. You don't need a degree, you don't need a license, you don't need to have a PhD, you don't need to have thousands of dollars to get started with crypto trading. All you just need is a smartphone. You just need a smartphone that can access internet, either in Android or iPhone, it can work. And you get a crypto exchange account like Binance or Bybit. It is free and it takes few minutes for you to create an account and do your verification. Then you get a starting capital. You can begin with as little as $50 in trading, and you deposit the funds into your preferred exchange via mobile money, bank transfers, or P2P. Then you just need basic knowledge. Understanding what you are doing matters. This is what this presentation is, just to give you your first step. So you need to have patience and understand how the crypto market works. So crypto flow bot then simplifies the rest for you. Okay. And so one thing worth noting is also how to look the reason why you want to automate your trading using crypto flow bot versus manual trading. So you can participate in crypto trading in several ways in the market. Okay, one of them is the manual trading and the other is automated trading. So with the manual trading, you have to sit in front of charts for hours daily. And you analyze markets yourself constantly. You execute every trade by your hand. Emotional decisions can sometimes lead to mistakes that will lead to huge losses. Also, You miss opportunities while you are sleeping. You can be asleep because you are human. You can get tired, and it requires years of learning experience. Some you have to pay huge monies to experienced people to teach you. You have to a whole lot of stuff. Now with the automated trading, the bot monitors the markets 24/7 for you. It uses artificial intelligence, which analyzes what opportunities in real time, and it traces what the trades execute automatically, instantly, within seconds or microseconds. It's emotion free. The bot does not have emotions. It uses what discipline driven decisions. It never misses a profitable setup, and automated trading works even while you are asleep. Okay, so that's why you want to start using automated trading bot like crypto flow bot. Now there's a lot of problem also with manual trading. Most people don't fail because the market is not fair to them. They fail it because of human emotions. They make consistent trading nearly impossible without any structure. One of them is the fear of loss. You hesitate too long, you miss the early, you miss the entry, then you watch the price move without you. Then also there's fear of missing out. You rush into trades without proper analysis and chasing prices that already moved. Some of you, when the Bitcoin price start moving, green is going up, then you rush in to buy, then later it dumps on you and you lose. Also time pressure. Remember, markets run 24/7, but you cannot. While you sleep, opportunities pass, and so do the risks also. And then analysis paralysis. Too many charts, indicators, and options. You overthink every decision and end up doing nothing and even losing, guys. So that's why we introduced to you crypto flow bot. It is a trading bot, and a trading bot is simply a software program that automatically buys and sells crypto on your behalf, following preset rules and strategies without your involvement as human. Think of it like, imagine hiring the most disciplined, tireless, emotionless trader in the world. Someone who never sleeps, never panics, never gets greedy, and follows the strategy perfectly every single time. That is what a trading bot does here. It's like you having a full-time professional employee that works 24/7, 365 days a year without asking for a raise or a day off. What this does is it scans the markets, it identifies opportunities, it checks the risk level of those opportunities that present themselves, then it executes the trade and locks in profit for you. That's what crypto flow bot is. So what is crypto flow bot? Crypto flow bot is an AI powered automated trading system which connects to your Binance or Bybit account on and trades on your behalf 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, with built-in risk management. Okay, that's what it does here. So one thing the reason you want to start using crypto flow bot is its security and fund safety. Your money is always in your hands. Crypto flow bot never holds, it never accesses or withdraws your funds. Here's how the model really works. Your funds stay in your exchange, either your Binance or Bybit. Okay, then all your capital, profits, and earnings that the bot makes, they all remain in your personal Binance or Bybit account. The bot, it cannot touch your money, never ever. So your funds are safe. Okay, and it's only what we call trade only API permissions. API stands for application programming interface. It what allow is an application that allows two apps. Okay, two apps to communicate and share information. The bot connects via what API with read and trade permissions only. Withdrawal are not permitted. Withdrawals are disabled. No one can move your funds. So this is the reason. One of the reasons you may need to start using crypto flow bot. You can disconnect anytime. You can disconnect the bot anytime you want. You will remove your funds and even or shut down the trading. You are always in full control. I think it is this kind of things that are lacking in the centralized platforms and the Ponzi schemes. Why? That's the reason why we keep losing, we keep sending our money, and they keep scamming us. So the solution is here for us, guys. And it has 256-bit encryption security. This is a bank level security that protects your API connection. Your data is encrypted in transit and at rest. Okay, that's why when you are connecting the API, you only give access to what restricted. Okay, restricted APIs only allowed. So guys, this is what we have here at hand. Fund security are, and what our users are experiencing. Users are experiencing a lot of what? In fact, life-changing results here. But remember, like I said, past results do not guarantee future results. These are screenshots from some of our members, their live earnings, trade history, and performance. These are everyday people, not professionals. You can also get started with this. It's just a matter of what you willing. Come, we're going to support you. This bot, it is not any that manual. You just turn on a button and this bot takes over after you do your API connection. Okay, it's really simple. These are screenshots that you see the members actually earning. And every single day in our WhatsApp groups, people are sharing their screenshots of profits and trading results. This is not to boast or not to lure anyone to join, but just to share with you what the progress they are having with the bot. So you may be asking, can I use this bot? Who is this bot for? This is designed to meet different users at different levels of experience, time availability, capital, and size. Okay, complete beginners, people who want a guided entry into crypto without any years of chart experience. It's also for busy professionals to leverage on time. People with packed schedules who want market participation without being changed to studying charts and analyzing charts. This is for you. And then it's also for experienced traders for execution support. People who understand trading but want better execution and consistency. And also for what? To be able to customize to whatever they want to do with the bots. This is for them also. And large scale capital users. It provides them with scalable structure. People who value operational structure and scalable system behavior. This bot can trade on $50, $10,000, even millions of dollars, okay, with no extra cost. So choose your capital tier to get started with Crypto Flowbot. Now, what you should take note is that your capital, okay, capital is always king in trading. The bigger the capital, the bigger the rewards. But remember, we all don't need to start with $500, thousands of dollars. You can start. In fact, with a minimum total of $180, you can get started and you can grow, scale it, okay? So if you are trading with, maybe we can be a starter, trading with like $50 to $299. Minimum to begin, learn the system, see real trades, build confidence. Then if you are within the range of $300 to $1,000 in trading, that's for growth. You're building momentum. You see meaningful daily returns and compound your earnings. And then professional, you want to be a professional tier. That's if you're trading with what, $1,000 to $5,000. This is what we call serious market participation. This will result in consistent income potential with structured risk. You can be an elite if you're trading with $5,000 to $50,000. Okay, this is for scale, strategic deployment, premium performance with diversified exposure. And maybe if you're trading, we can be trading with over $50,000. That's then an executive tier. You get institutional grade capital management, maximum scale with monitored oversight, guys. So pricing and getting started. How do you get started? Simple. You get your Binance or Bybit exchange ready. Guys, don't worry. Come over to our WhatsApp group. All the videos are there. Even a 12-year-old child can follow. I have done all videos for my team. If even a 12-year-old child can just get started without any problem. So it's simple transparency, no any hidden fee. $120 for a whole year. That's for annual activation. Okay. Think of it as paying your full-time employee their annual salary upfront. Once activated, the bot works 24/7, 365 days. It doesn't take break, no excuses, no extra charges. That's simple. Okay. No profit, no fuel charged. Fuel wallet auto process at $3 for top up. So the fuel wallet, you deposit a minimum of $10 into the fuel wallet. This is what powers the bot to operate. Fuel is only charged whenever a bot makes profit. And the profit sharing is you keep 80% and the bot keeps 20%. It's that simple. So get in $180 in total. $180 in total can get you started with this bot. Remember, you keep 80% of every profitable trade. No hidden fees, no commissions, no surprises. Okay. So the total start is 120 USDT for activation of the bot for a whole year, plus $10 for fuel, plus $50 minimum trading capital. And in total, a minimum of $180 can get you started. Okay, this cannot set up any offline business, guys. You can scale this thing up. That's what we have here. Again, you are in full control of your capital. Get started, sign up. Okay, you activate the bot, fund it with fuel, connect API, set preferences, choose a mode, either select full auto or custom mode, then monitor and track your performance from your phone or laptop. It's that simple. Check in the comment section below. All the links are there. Join our WhatsApp group so we guide you more.